All right, so guys, this is number 11 out of 6.1, and it says find the minimum sample size n needed to estimate mu for the given values of c, sigma, and e. Okay, so we have c being 0.98, sigma is 6.2, and e is equal to 2. Okay, so the first thing we need here is our formula, which I have right here. So here's my formula for finding the minimum sample size. Okay, so I'm going to write that down back on the page that we were on. So let's see, we have n equals zc times sigma all over e, and all of this is being squared. So the first thing we need to do is we need to find our zc value. Okay, so since my confidence interval is 98%, I want us to think about what that means again, okay? It means I'm going to draw my standard normal curve, right? And I'm going to look for two values so that the area inside here is 0.98. So just a quick reminder, remember the area under the entire curve is equal to 1. So if I have 98 there, that means the area left on this side will be 0.01, and the area on this side will be 0.01, because then if I add those up, that gives me my 1. So remember, this ZC value here is going to be negative, this one here is going to be positive. So the way I can find this one here is I can use my second vars, right? And then I'm going to go inverse norm of 0.01. Okay, so let's do that first. I'll get my calculator here. Let's clear this out. Second vars, inverse norm, 0.01. Close that off. Negative 2.33. Okay, so this value here is a negative 2.33, so this one here is a positive 2.33. Okay, so now let's go ahead and see if we can continue with this. So n equals 2.33. My sigma is 6.2, and my error here happens to be 2. We're going to square this, okay? So remember, I'm going to enter all of this in on my calculator just like I have it with parentheses and everything. So parentheses 2.33 times 6.2 divided by 2. Close that off, and we are going to square the whole thing. And if you notice here, I'm coming up with 52 point change. So let me come back here. 52 point some change, right? And if you notice here, it says round up to the next whole number. So no matter what it is, if it's telling me to round up, I gotta automatically put 53, and that should be my answer, okay? So this is how I do problems like 11 and 12 on my homework.